The world is on the brink of a new era, a transformative period that will redefine how we live and work. An era of automation, driven by cutting-edge robotics and artificial intelligence, is upon us. At the forefront of this revolution stands Tesla, a pioneer in innovation and technology, a company known for pushing boundaries and challenging the status quo. Tesla is not just building electric cars, they are creating a sustainable future. They are building the future, one innovation at a time. Tesla's latest innovation is the Optimus Bot, a marvel of modern engineering. A humanoid robot designed to transform industries and redefine productivity. Imagine a world where robots work alongside humans, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, increasing efficiency and productivity like never before, making tasks easier and faster. This is the promise of Optimus, a future where technology enhances human potential. Optimus is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of progress and innovation. It represents a seismic shift in how we think about work, collaboration, and the future. It has the potential to reshape industries, from manufacturing to healthcare and beyond. This is the dawn of a new era, a time of unprecedented technological advancement, where humans and robots collaborate to achieve incredible things, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The future is here, and it's wearing a Tesla badge, leading us into a new era of possibilities. With Optimus poised to revolutionize the way we work and live. Optimus's humanoid form is not just for show. It's a deliberate design choice that offers significant advantages. Its human-like shape allows it to integrate seamlessly into existing infrastructure. This means Optimus can be deployed in factories and workplaces without costly modifications. It can navigate stairs, use tools, and interact with its environment in a way that traditional robots cannot. This adaptability makes Optimus a game changer. It lowers the barrier to entry for businesses looking to automate their operations. Optimus is not just a technological marvel. It's a practical solution designed to make work easier and more efficient. The humanoid form also makes Optimus more approachable and less intimidating, fostering a more natural collaboration between humans and robots. In a world accustomed to science fiction depictions, Optimus's design bridges the gap between imagination and reality. It brings futuristic concepts into the present day. Optimus's versatility extends beyond just physical tasks. It can be programmed for a variety of roles, making it an invaluable asset in diverse settings. Whether it's in manufacturing, logistics, or even customer service, Optimus is designed to excel. Its efficiency and adaptability make it a cornerstone of modern automation. The future of work is here, and with Optimus, it's more collaborative and efficient than ever before. Optimus is not just a robot, it's a vision of the future realized today. Section 4. Transforming Industries. Optimus's impact. Optimus is not just another robot, it's a force for positive change. It has the potential to revolutionize countless industries by taking on dangerous, repetitive, and physically demanding tasks. Imagine Optimus working tirelessly on construction sites, improving safety and efficiency. Picture it assisting surgeons with delicate procedures, enhancing precision and minimizing risks. Envision it supporting elderly individuals in their homes, providing much-needed assistance and companionship. The possibilities are as vast as our imaginations. Optimus can free up human workers from hazardous or monotonous tasks, allowing them to focus on more fulfilling and creative endeavors. This shift has the potential to boost productivity, reduce costs, and improve overall quality of life. Optimus is not just about automation, it's about creating a better future for everyone. Section 5. A bold future. Tesla's vision for Optimus. Tesla's vision for Optimus extends far beyond simple automation. It envisions a world where robots are seamlessly integrated into every facet of human life, enhancing productivity and quality of life. It represents a fundamental shift in the company's trajectory, a bold step towards a future where AI and robotics are central to their mission. This vision is not just about creating robots, but about redefining the relationship between humans and machines. Tesla's expertise in AI, particularly in computer vision and machine learning, will be instrumental in developing Optimus's capabilities. These technologies will enable Optimus to understand and interact with its environment in ways previously thought impossible. The company's experience with autonomous driving technology directly translates to Optimus's ability to navigate and interact with its environment. This synergy between Tesla's various technologies